Yo, what's up, tech fam? Today we're diving into Huawei's latest mid-range beast, the Nova 14 Pro. And trust me, this phone is turning heads with flagship vibes at a budget price. Let's check it out. Right out the box, the Nova 14 Pro feels premium, sleek aluminum frame, curved edges, and a matte glass finish that looks straight up luxurious. On the front, you're getting a gorgeous 6.78-inch OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It's bright, colorful, and super smooth for gaming, scrolling, or streaming. And yep, that dual punch hole selfie camera gives it a modern, high-end look. Under the hood, Huawei's running its new Kirin 5G chipset, tuned for speed and efficiency. Day-to-day tasks, smooth. Gaming, no lag. Multitasking, easy. Paired with HarmonyOS 5.0, it's snappy and optimized. Plus, AI features now adapt to how you use your phone. It's surprisingly smart. Now let's talk cameras, because Huawei always brings the heat here. You get a 50-megapixel ultra-vision main lens, an ultra-wide, and a depth sensor that actually nails portrait shots. The selfies? 32-megapixel clarity that looks studio-ready. Even low-light shots pop with detail, thanks to Huawei's new AI night mode. The 5000 milliamp hour battery easily lasts a full day, and the 100-watt SuperCharge takes you from 0 to 100% in just about 30 minutes. Yup, that fast. So for around mid-range pricing, the Huawei Nova 14 Pro gives you flagship looks, killer display, and top-tier cameras without breaking the bank. If Huawei keeps this up, brands like Samsung and OnePlus might start sweating. What do you guys think? Worth the hype? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to hit that like and sub for more tech drops every week.